last step on the engine. We got a block right here. About to install the cylinder head. One more time, what we have right here is the Wiseca pistons and the K1 rods. So it's everything first on the bottom. It's good for a high boost. Probably around 500 plus horsepower. We'll see. Not gonna force it too much, but let's go finish this and see what we have. So this is what I got. I got the ARP bolts. It comes in this box. It's got a sticker right here. You got the lubricant, and here are the bolts. And I got the tools. I had them, so I have them right here. And there are some instructions how to install it, and the torque specs. As everybody sees, 3 steps. First is 30 foot-pounds, second is 60 foot-pounds, and the third one is 80 foot-pounds. That comes with the kit. So that's what we're gonna use for the head. Let's go work.
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you. In the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you.
spec. Now what we have to go next procedure is gonna be the timing belt. I'm gonna put everything on time right here. The crank, I'm gonna put the camshaft pulley, and we're gonna set up the timing belt. So let's go for it. Got the timing done. It's too dark, I think. Timing is all done, and now gotta complete with all the covers right here. Then we go to the intake and then the exhaust. The valve cover, I just put it because I need to look at this. I'm gonna take it. We're gonna put it good with gasket and everything. So we have to finish today and start the car. Alright, so it's the second day that I installed the cylinder head. This is where I am right now. Gotta fix this radiator support, mount it. It's just I just put it like that because I gotta do the intercooler and piping valve cover gasket. The valve cover is not secured because I gotta put the gasket and secure it. So what I'm gonna do right now is just put the piping for the intercooler and match the intercooler right here. Put everything, of course, together. Put oil, coolant, and fire it up. Let's finish this beast. Alright, so this is what I have so far. I got the intercooler from B8 Audi A4, which fixed right here perfectly. I measure everything, and I hope it's not going to touch the bumper. I put it right here right now only for with zip ties, so I can do the piping. Everything is good on this side, so it's coming from the turbocharger. Small adapter hose. This, the metal one, goes to the blow off, comes through here to the intercooler. Now on this side I have this pipe, and from here I'm probably gonna steal the stock pipe from the old intercooler, from the throttle body to the other pipe. I'm just gonna put the car down and secure the radiator support and clamp everything here. See how it's gonna come all together. Alright, so an hour late, little update to this intercooler. The piping is all good, just for now, so I can start the car up. We're going to valve cover gaskets and cover everything. Everything is tied up right now. I'm not sure if the bumper is gonna fit, because right here is too close to this mount for the bumper, but everything came up good. I don't know if you can see right there, the turbo is everything hooked up to the intercooler. It's not moving, so I'm gonna try to connect all the connectors that I have left right here, put the valve cover gasket, and fire it up, see how it goes. Leave it run for a little bit and then just take it out. I'm not gonna put the bumper today because I'm gonna leave it running for a day or two. Since the engine is everything new inside, I'm gonna leave it run for a little bit, and then I'll take it for a spin. But for now it's good like that. Probably the headlights I can put it on as well, just in case I want to drive it. But from here it's all good. So moving on to the valve cover.
Got the valve cover gaskets on. I'm gonna put the cover. All good. Tied it up. This is what we forgot. The cups. No, it should be good.
got everything done. Just gotta put coolant, oil, crank a couple of times, and then connect the ignition coils, spark plugs, and the injectors, and fire it up.
Perfect. Сейчас, мамка. This way. Purple.
So we got everything hooked up. I'm gonna add a little bit more coolant later. Oil is good. I crank it a couple of times so it lubricates everything. Now I'm gonna give it a start. So let's see what's gonna happen.